Welcome to all in Robotics for United India channel. So today I am going to start a new topic, OLO. It is very important for object detection. Okay, so this OLO is a new algorithms in the field of object detection and recognition. So it is launched by first 9 May 2016. Okay, here it is a first research paper of OLO algorithms. You will only lock once unified real-time object detection. Okay, it's abstract. Now we present OLO, new approach to object detection. Okay, your unified architecture is extremely fast. Okay, finally OLO learn very general representation of objects. Now second introduction, mainly when OLO detection systems. First I have an input image and it is generally divided in three parts. First resize the input image and run convolutional neural network and use nonmax separation, and finally detect the output. Okay, you can study detail here. Okay, now next, first OLO is extremely fast since we frame detection as a regression problem. We don't need a complex pipeline. Okay, now next, unified detection. Okay, now each bounding box consists 5 prediction: x, y, w, h, and confidence. Okay, x, y is a center coordinate and w, h is a width and height of bounding box. Okay, now intersection over union, it is intersection over union is 0.5 for OLO version 1. Okay, suppose I have an image. First it divided into grid. Suppose S into 8 grids. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here value of S is equal to 8. Okay, now then it also divided in two parts: bounding box plus confidence and classification probability map. Then final detection. Okay, suppose that we understand it. Suppose that I have this model. Your system model detection as a regression problem. It divides the image into an S into S grids, and for each grid cell predict B bounding boxes. Okay, a confidence for these boxes and C class probability. The prediction are encoded as an S into B into 5 plus C, where S into S is a grid size of input image, B is a bounding box, number of bounding box, 5 it is for each tensor 5, and C is a number of classes. Okay, for example, suppose I have S is equal to 7 from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, S is equal to 7. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. S 7 into 7. Okay, here, and then B is equal to 2. Number of bounding boxes is equal to 2. Okay, and 20 leveled classes, C is equal to 20. Then final prediction is equal to 7 into 7 into 30, means 7 into 7, B is equal to 2. The 5 into 2 10 plus C is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Then finally 30 tensors. Okay, now network designing, it is a networks. In this network, total 24 conventional layers followed by 2 fully connected layers. Okay, alternative 1:1 conventional layer reduce the future space from preceding layers. Now input image side 224:224. Okay, it is a conventional layer 7:7:64. Okay, use max full layer 2:2 plus x minus 2. Similarly, conventional layer here you can read for deep knowledge. You follow this paper. I will be links here in this descriptions, okay, of this paper. Now next, detection obtained require fine grained visual information, so we increase the input resolution of the network from 224:224 to 448:448. Okay, now in this use likely rectified linear activation function. In this the normalize the bounding box with an height by the image with an height, so they fall between 0 into 1. Okay, and the parameterize the bounding box x and y coordinates to be offset of a particular grid cell location, so they are also bounded between 0 into 1. Okay, now next, OLO imposes a strong spatial constraint on bounding box prediction, since each grid cell only predict 2 boxes and only one have 1 classes. It is limitation of OLO. Okay, the spatial constraint limitations the number of nearby objects that your model can predict. Your models struggles with a small object that appear in groups such as flock of birds. It is an important problem in OLO version 1. Okay, OLO version 1. So it is okay. OLO model struggles with a small objects that appear in groups such as flocks of birds. Okay. Now next, throughout training we use a batch size 64, momentum is 0.9 and decay is 0.005. Your learning rate schedule is followed. For the first epoch, we slowly rise the learning rate from 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now comparison to other detection systems. Now I will explain only important point. If you want to study deep knowledge, then you can download this paper from description of these videos. Okay, don't problem. Intersection over union is greater than 0.1. Okay, class is wrong. Background is itna background is intersection union is less than 0.1 for any objects. Background, only background. Okay. Now the VGG16 version of faster RCNN is 10 mean average precision higher, but is also 6 times slower than OLO. Okay, the Javier Fergus faster RCNN is only 2.5 times slower than OLO, but it is also less accurate. Okay, faster RCN is only 2.5 times slower than OLO, but is also less accurate. Okay, now next it is a precision or recall between graphs between precision and recalls. So OLO is very high precision, okay, and recalls, okay, now OLO compared to RCNN. Okay, Now next it is a some generalized output. Okay, qualitative result, it is a qualitative result OLO running on simple framework and natural images from the internet. It is mostly accurate, although it does things one person is in airplanes. Okay, persons, now person cat, person dog, it is person, it is boat, airplane, it is car, it is car, it is bird, here aeroplanes. Now next some important link of OLO, a demo of the system and the source code can be found in the your website. If you want to source code of this OLO, then you can click here. Okay, this is a code, link of code. Okay, now finally conclusions, we introduce OLO. Fast OLO is the fastest general purpose object detection in the literature, and OLO possesses the state of the art in real-time object detection. OLO also generalizes well to new domain, making it ideal for applications that rely on fast, robust object detections. Then acknowledgement, then it is a reference of OLO, and finally indeed. Thank you all of you. Please wait for OLO V2. Okay, thank you.